Daudi the Guitarist, a singer-songwriter and a composer. Today I welcome you to this tutorial, Msichana wa Elimu by Daudi Kabaka. So, I'm going to divide this tutorial into 3 parts. The video will stay the way it is. If it's a 10 minutes video, it's going to stay the way it is. But the tutorial, these parts that I'm going to show you, I'm going to divide them into 3. Okay? Part number 1, I'm going to show you the intro. Second part, I'm going to show you the bottom solo, and the third part, I'm going to show you the upper solo. All right. Okay, so let's do this. Let us do this. Okay, Msichana. First, let me make sure that you can see this clearly. You see this clearly. So, okay. So, very quick. This is what I'm going to show you. This is how we do it. All right. So this is how we do it. Msichana, this is how you play it. First step, I was using the key of G. Actually, the song was played in the key of G. Okay. Play shape 7 the way I always call it. Shape 7. Alright. Add your pinky finger there. Fret number 10, add your pinky on the 5th string. 10th fret. Okay. Make it a power chord. You have that shape now. Okay, so we are going to break this shape down until we are left with nothing. We're left with no shape. We're going to break it into a solo. So this is what we do very quickly. You are playing this shape. I want you to remove your first finger. Remember, this is the 10th fret, the 9th fret, the 8th fret, and the 7th fret. Come on the 7th fret. Take this, your first finger, place it on the 7th fret first string. You have that. Remove your third finger. You have that. Your second finger, just leave it the way it was. Okay, now you have this shape. Pick those 2 strings. You have seen. All right, so second step, I want you to move to, remember now we are playing fret 7, fret 8. I want you to move to fret 8, fret 10, fret 8, fret 10. First finger on fret, my camera has a low battery. So first finger on fret 8, second finger on fret 10, second string. First finger on fret 8, first string, second finger on fret 10, second string. All right, pluck those 2 strings. Now with the same shape, I want you to move to fret 10 respectively and fret 12 respectively with the same shape. Are we together? So go back. I want you to move forward, fret 5 and fret 7, fret 5 and fret 7. Okay, fret 5 and fret 7. First finger on fret 5, first string, second finger on fret 7, second string. And then go back. So this is how you play the intro. I want you to slide from fret 7, 8 to fret 10, 12, like this. Just when you're sliding, pick and then slide. First step, okay? So slide and then pluck 1, 2. All right? Move to fret 8 and fret 10. So you have, pick that once and then close and then and then you have Are we together? So you have, actually I want you to also add fret 5. Let's just follow the rules. Just add fret 5 and fret 7. So and then close. Let me repeat. Have you gotten that one? So repeat the same thing. So you have one more time. All right, guys. All right. All right, guys. So second step. Come back again and play your shape. Okay. So I want you to start from the sixth string. Sixth string. Today I'm not going to mention notes. Just start from the sixth string. Play this. Just play this. Play it like this. Fret number 10, play the sixth string. And then fret number 10, play the fifth string. And then fret number 9, play the fourth string. So you have, and then fret number 7, play the fourth string. And then fret number 10, play the fourth string. And then fret number 9, play the third string. And then fret number 7, play the third string. And then fret number 9, play the fourth string. Fret number 10, play the fifth string. Fret number 10, play the sixth string. So you have, okay, you have next step you play, just repeat what you did in the first step, and then repeat what you did in the first step, and then now second step, something new. Now play 10th fret, 6th string, 9th fret, 5th string, sorry. Repeat what you did in the first step, okay? Okay? And then